Monday afternoon. I thought I'll make a quick unboxing video of my new intercom, which is from Blue Armor. It's called a C50PRO. Yeah, so let's go ahead. I received this today, just now, from Blue Armor, and it's bought on a Trailblazer offer. I should be having 2 units inside this. Let's check out. First look. Alright, the package looks pretty neat, compact, and this is what you can see. Hope you can see this on the camera. This is how the box looks like. It's written as C50PRO, and all the features that it offers. Here it says the box includes all this info. You guys can go through it later. Okay, this is how we open it. Pull out the shell. Looks something like this. It's very compact. Up. Alright, this is how it opens. The mouse, the left and right speaker. This is the manual control if you don't want to use the rotary navigation switch. What else? The speaker spacers here. I think this is the mount which you can use if you don't want the magnetic strap. Strap mounts, strap mount. Okay, this goes on your bike handlebar if you think that you want to strap it on your bike handle. Right, and this is some Velcro stick. First impressions, pretty compact, very lightweight, doesn't feel heavy at all when compared to the C30. What else in the box? Okay, we have a spaceship here. So this one is the mount that we received. We have the charging kit. Okay, this is an additional mount. Maybe if you don't need this, I'll just figure this out. Maybe this is a magnetic one and this is a non-magnetic one, if you don't wish to have the lights. Alright, let me mount it on the bike. Let me mount it on my helmet and then show you guys how it looks. Thank you.